Hello, welcome to R series. If it's your first time here and you want to learn R, start by subscribing to my channel so you don't miss anything. So variables in R can be either numeric or text, and they are given to our memory to be stored as values. So today we are going to talk about factors. So variables can be either continuous or categorical. Simply put, numeric or text. Continuous variables, they can either be numeric or integers. For example, address, age, or phone number. Categorical variables can be nominal or ordinal. So what does that mean? Nominal are variables that cannot be ordered. For example, milkshake flavor. You can't say strawberry is bigger or better than chocolate or banana. Ordinal, they are variables that can be ordered. For example, a spice level. So mild is less hot than medium, and medium is less hot than extra hot. So you can order these values. Why we are discussing the type of variables? Because mostly factors accept categorical data. So factors are variables that can take limited predefined categorical values. So we have in the previous example, 4 spicy level is predefined. And they are limited, so you won't have like 100 spicy levels. So we have only 4 levels of spices. So the most important factor arguments are levels, order, labels, and exclude. And we will discuss each one of them in the next few videos. To create a factor, we need to use the factor function. Factors store elements as integer vectors. So it assigns element number to each element inside the factor function. For example, here we have element number 1, element number 2, and element number 3. So now we discuss the difference between continuous and categorical variables, and you know a little bit about factors. In the next video, we will discuss examples of how to create factors and discuss more about levels argument.